Don't make a mess. What's that? Open it here, not closer to your sister.
Oh,
Put it here. Put it here on this side. Jacob, move here. Because your sister is there. You're gonna wake up your sister.
Huh?
You're gonna wake up your sister. Okay, I'll help you with this only.
Mom, I can't feel it.
I know. I'm helping you with the scotch tape.
What's it?
Wait first.
For me?
Huh?
For me?
Yeah.
Ah!
Wait first. Let me do the scotch tape and then you do the opening of the box, okay? Okay. You open it. Ooh, what's that? You got a lot of gifts.
What's grabbing this one?
Okay.
Oh.
Wait, there's a lot. What is that?
Oh, chocolate.
Let me see. Let me see.
Chocolate with the gun.
You like it?
Yeah, chocolate with the gun.
Wow. Cool.
Yeah.
Okay, next gift. Not yet. Continue.
Chocolate with the gun.
Who made that gun?
Hmm.
Who made that gun?
You?
No?
Daddy?
No?
Uncle Man.
Yeah, come on. The other gifts, open.
It seems like eyes.
Huh?
It seems like the other one.
Yeah, the one that I made for you.
Yeah.
It's a cardboard gun.
Oh, the gun. The chocolate again. It's two guns.
Who made that gun again?
Uncle Warren.
Oh, wow. How many guns do you have right now?
1, 2.
Wow.
Let's open some more presents. Wow, I like that. Oh, yeah. Some more guns.
How what?
There's some more guns.
You think so?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, gun. Is that the gun?
What's that?
Oh, it's the gun again.
Show to mommy? Wow.
That's another gun. That's a whole gun.
Who made that gun again? Huh? Oh.
Another one. Another one.
How many guns do you have now?
1, 2, 3, 4.
4 guns? That's a lot. What is it? What is that again? Rip it off, Nat.
I know.
What is it? What? Why is it like that?
Because.
Why?
Because.
No, I think you have to get it from the... Yeah.
Get it from what?
Huh?
Get it from what?
From the cardboard. You have to push it. Let me see. You need help?
Yeah. Oh, that's so many guns.
Go here.
Mom, can you get this stuff?
Here.
Can you get this all the stuff?
Yeah, I will get it.
Oh, God.
What did you say?
Thanks.
No, say it in the video. Say thanks to
Thanks. Thanks, Uncle Woman.
who else?
Uncle Lane.
Who else?
Uncle Janet.
For the
For the gun.
show me everything with the guns. All of your guns. Show me everything. You like it?
Yeah.
What else? Get some more. Show me. Show the okay. Some more. Wow. Wow. Cool. Wow. You like it? Which
Yeah.
one you like?
This one.
The big one?
Yeah, this one. He's
Okay.
my favorite.
Huh?
He's my favorite.
That's your favorite?
Yeah.
Okay.
Blue one.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Bye. Look at me.